So in this video, we'll talk about how to create a restore points. So in Windows 11, you can go to Start, Settings, and then go to System. Scroll down, you will see About. And then you can see the System Protection. Click that, you will see the restore point saved location. And then you can create your restore point, give it a name. And if you want to do a system restore, you can click that. You will see all the restore point previous saved. So one thing I need to mention is by default, if you click configuration, by default, the system restore point is only 2%. That means only 10 gigabytes. You need to increase that to more space, so you will have more restore point in case something wrong, you can have more choice. Okay, so hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.